What's up, man? This is Omgstrength, and today we're doing a video of quarantine baby making workouts. Y'all out there stroking and poking, but y'all need to be getting these non-inseminational reps in. You feel what I'm saying? So here it is. Y'all ladies got little crumb snatchers in the oven baking right now. Y'all eating straight happiness, but y'all not working out. Oh, and it catches up real quick. Real quick. Yeah, I see a lot of y'all men out there looking down while y'all women watching this video. Pick your head up and watch this goddamn video and help your woman get these non-inseminational reps in. Yo, let's get these reps in, because at the end of the day, this is gonna be your situation.
You are the father.
Oh, god damn.
What?
Oh, man.
So y'all follow me with these workouts. It's a beginner's workout. Something helps make the pregnancy easy, helps y'all stay in shape, keeps y'all motivated. Let's do it.